YouTube, what is up? I am Ace, and today I wanted to share with you another cool MagSafe wireless charging station. It is the Ponket 3-in-1, no, the 4-in-1, the 5-in-1 wireless charging station. Now there is some question to how many devices this thing can charge at once. So what do you say? Let's get to the bottom of this mystery. All right, we have got the Ponket 3-in-1 magnetic fast wireless charger. Now it says 5-in-1 on the package. I don't know, on the Amazon site it said 3-in-1, so there may be some additional ports in the back. It says 15 watts fast charge. I'm assuming that's the pad and not where you charge your iPhone, because that's, I'm pretty sure, 7.5. But what else we got here? Nice little charger looking thing on the front and on the back. Supports 12 series of phones, watch, AirPods, 15 watts fast charge, and a nightlight. Multiple device charger, charging safely, protection, nightlight, wireless fast charge, strong magnetic alignment. So what else we got here? Oh, they got some product materials, plastic and zinc alloyed, input, interface, USB Type-C, blah, 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 blah. Pause the video if you want to read the rest of that. I got the black one. So, let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open. And shoink. All right. And again, I'm trying not to say all right a lot, but you know, it is what it is. All right. So, popping this open. Let's try and pull this out here. What is going on here? OMG. Okay. All right. Said it again. All right. Dang it, Ace. Okay. So we have got, what do we got here? $30 for you. Hey, appreciate it. I'll take 30 bucks. Probably gotta send a bunch of messages and write a review and then take a picture and then post it on my social media and then send a postcard to my grandmother. And yeah, so. Okay, we've got the cord here. What do we got here? USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Very nice. And then we got a charger in the box. And let's see, does this have any, what is this? It says 20 watt charger. How cool is that? I always use another USB Type-C 20 watt charger. Okay, and then we got, oh, look, a little user manual on how to use it. Oh, well, that's some light bedtime reading. Oh, rainbow. Okay, there you go. So that's, you know, if you want to, you know, learn how to use it, in case you don't know. All right, let's take a look at the star of the show. Kind of scooch, scooch, scooch. Okay. Ooh. Not too bad. It's got a nice little rubbery, silicone protection here for your phone, so as not to scratch it up. Got your little puck placement for your Apple Watch. And then, okay, I don't know if that shows or not, but there's a little indentation that comes right around in here that'll where you can put your AirPods, or I'm assuming any other Qi charging whatever you got. Okay, what do we got back here? Yep, there's the USB Type-C in, and you do have an extra charging port there to USB Type-A that you can charge something else. So let's take a look here. Let's quick recap. 5-in-1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and there's the little nightlight thing right there too, huh? So, all right. So that's the Ponket. Got a little bit of branding right there. The Ponket 3-in-1, 5-in-1. Pick a number, any number. Wireless charger station. Well, there you have it. Mystery solved. It is the Ponket 4-in-1 wireless charging station. Now, when I originally picked it up off of Amazon, it said 3-in-1, and then I got the box and it said 5. Well, you guys were there. You saw the whole thing. I do dig this wireless charging station. It's of good quality. The magnets for the MagSafe aren't too overly powerful. I can just place my iPhone 12 Pro Max on there. It holds fine, vertically or horizontally. And then when I go to take it off, it's not a struggle. Not to mention that you can charge 4 devices at one time. And the AirPods pad, well, that's just Qi enabled. So that means that you can charge any Qi enabled wireless charging device on that pad. Now, I do like the layout of the wireless charging station. They have the nightlight button there in the middle, and the AirPods pad is offset, so you're not accidentally hitting that light when you go to reach for your AirPods at night. But if you do accidentally hit that light in the middle of the night, the nightlight is along the back of the stem of the charging station, so it illuminates away from your face and not in your face, which I think is a really great thought out design. My only problem with this charging station is the indicator light on the front to let you know whether something is charging or not. Green if it's charging, red if it's not. You can't turn that off. However, just a little bit of electrical tape in front of that solves that issue. Now, you can pick this up off of Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. Just, click on that for the latest, greatest pricing on the Ponket 4-in-1 wireless charging station. Now, kids, drop me a like if you like this video, sub to the channel for more, and YouTube, as always, be safe, be kind, peace and love.